Hello, everyone, and welcome to April 1st, beginning of a new month. Thank you again for everybody who participated in all of our activities last month for Women's History Month in March. Now that we're on April, April is Sexual Assault Awareness Month, which is an annual campaign to raise public awareness about sexual assault and educate communities and individuals on how to prevent sexual violence. So that's what we're going to be focusing on this month. A little bit of history. This all got started kind of in the 1970s, which was a time when there was significant growth for prevention and awareness of sexual violence across the country. Kind of following the general trend of social activism throughout that decade. So, as early as 1976, a lot of you may have heard of what we call "Take Back the Night," which were marches rallied women in organized protest against rape and sexual assault. These marches protested the violence and the fear that women encountered walking the streets at night. And over time, these events coordinated into a movement across the U.S. and Europe, which is what we know today. Because of this movement, broader activities to raise awareness of violence against women began to occur. So you fast forward to basically all the way to the late 90s, many advocates began coordinating activities and events throughout the month of April, advancing the idea of a nationally recognized month for sexual violence awareness and prevention activities. And this was first observed Sexual Assault Awareness Month as early as April of 2001. So survivors, advocates, state coalitions, they mobilized around the creation and implementation of the bill that's most famous for this, which is the Violence Against Women Act in 1994, also known as VAWA. You may have heard this before. This bill was the first national law requiring law enforcement to treat gender violence as a crime rather than just a private family matter, which it had been previously. VAWA was also designed to strengthen legal protections for victims of domestic violence and sexual violence, as well as expanded services to survivors, and even included children as well. So, the organization that kind of oversees all this is what we call the National Sexual Violence Resource Center. It was established in the year 2000. In 2001, this group coordinated the first formally recognized National Sexual Assault Awareness Month, and it still facilitates today, which is what we're celebrating now. And this is actually the 20th year of celebration of this month. So. In 2005, this campaign shifted to the prevention of sexual violence. And actually the first toolkits were sent out to coalitions and rape crisis centers across the country to further raise awareness. Formally in 2009, President Barack Obama was the first to officially proclaim April as Sexual Assault Awareness Month. So there's actually what you're likely to see ribbons throughout this month. A teal ribbon was adopted as a symbol of sexual assault awareness and prevention. So if you see individuals wearing teal ribbons, just know that they are honoring what this month is about. So, and every month has a different theme, or every year has a different theme. So for 2021, the 20th anniversary, the National Sexual Violence Resource Center commemorates the start of this month with the campaign, We Can Build Safe Online Spaces. This campaign will highlight how to practice consent online and build respectful online communities. The internet has become the new public square, if you will, where we connect with romantic partners, friends, family, coworkers, and even strangers. And this year's campaign shares how each of us can build online spaces free of sexual harassment and abuse. So again, very, very important month, Sexual Assault Awareness Month. Throughout the month, I'll be sending out different resources and different things for you to look at and different activities for us to participate throughout the month. So again, definitely had a great month with Women's History Month and kind of continuing a similar theme with VAWA and the protection and prevention of sexual assault for this month as well. So again, thank you, everyone. Enjoy the beautiful weather we're going to have this weekend, and we'll talk to everybody next week.